There's the future home of the Buffalo Bills YouTubers under construction, doing 25 or 26, whenever the heck they get it done. And they got it facing so the wind will go the other way. And here's where the Bills may try to play tomorrow night. And it's a slippery, slick mess out here. We're getting our lake effect snowstorm. 20 miles, or not 20 miles, maybe 3 miles up north of here, you run out of the snow. So go figure. Good football weather. I'm guessing they're going to have moved the game to another stadium. I don't think they'll have it tonight if we get really hammered like they're saying. They may just close the roads down if it's too bad. The throughway's been closed from the state line, which is probably about 50 miles or more west of here. Plenty of outhouses. And here's where I take my alternative route back to Lancaster. Football weather at its finest. Verizon communication tower over there, trailer. That's probably for the game broadcast, I'm guessing. So the crews can be close to the bars and the convenience stores. Drive safe, YouTubers. This little Fiat works pretty good in the snow. Got squeaky wipers though. Squeaky wipers get the grease.